Good morning students. Last class I taught you repeated subtraction sums. Okay, today also let us see that related exercise. Okay, first one, mental maths. See the first sum. Vanitha had 50 mangoes. Okay, Vanitha had how many mangoes? 50 mangoes, and she made packets of 5 mangoes each and sold them. Okay, how many packets does she make? Okay, this is your question. See ma, Vanitha had 50 mangoes and this 50 mangoes she want to packets. Okay, so packets. Okay, how many? Each packet has 5 mangoes. Okay, now what's your question? How many packets does she made? Okay, see 50 mangoes. All the each packet we want to have how many mangoes? 5 mangoes. Now what's your question? How many packets we can made? That is your question. Okay, now what you do? We want to simplify this sum in what method? Repeated subtraction method. Sima, Vanitha had 50 mangoes and that mangoes she want to packet. Okay, each packet we want 5 mangoes. So how many packets we can make? That is your question. Okay, now what method? Repeated subtraction method. Sima, 50 mangoes, first packet minus 5. So 50 minus 5, what answer? 45. Again that 45 we made again one packet. Okay, so minus 5. So 45 minus 5, 40. This 40 again we made one packet means remaining 35. Okay, so again we made one packet, so remaining what? 30. This 30 from again we made one packet. Okay, so 5 mangoes less. After we have remaining 25. Okay, see this 25 from we made one packet. Okay, so minus 5. Remaining we have 20. This 20 from we made one packet. Okay, remaining we have 15. This 15 from we made one packet. Okay, so 15 from 5 go means remainder 10. This 10 mangoes is from we made one packet. Okay, so 10 minus 5, remaining 5. This 5 also we can make one packet. Okay, so remainder what? 0. Okay, so this is called what? Repeated subtraction method. So how many 5 we can subtract here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many packet we can make using this 50 mangoes? 10 packets. Okay, so what's our answer? 10. Sima, easy method using division. Okay, so 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. So 10 5s are 50. Okay, 10 5s are 50. So how many this one for this division only you use for answer checking purpose. Okay, so answer check means use this division method, but what method here asking? Repeated subtraction method only asking. So in your exam you write this repeated subtraction method. This line is your answer. Okay, so how many packets we can make? 10 packets. So first one answer 10 packets. See the second question. There are 30 notebooks in a box. Okay, a box capacity is what? 30 notebooks. Okay, a box contains 30 notebooks. If 6 notebooks are to be given to each students. Okay, so each student means what? Single students. Okay, so one students get how many notebooks? 6 notebooks. Now what's our question? How many students will get the notebooks? Okay, we have 30 notebooks. Okay, in that notebooks we want to distribute to the students. Okay, each students get 6 notebooks means how many students get that 30 notebooks? That is your question. Okay, so now we want to find students strength. Okay, Sima, we have 30 notebooks. That 30 notebooks we want to divide it into the students. Okay, so each students get 6 notebook means how many students get that notebooks? That is your question. Okay, now we want to apply what method? Repeated subtraction method. Okay, see 30 minus 6. Okay, so 30 minus 6, what answer? 24. That 24 from again minus 6 you subtract. Okay, this one for second student. Okay, 30 notebooks from 6 notebooks get the first students. Okay, next remaining we have 24. That 24 notebooks from again one students get 6 means remaining we have what? 18 notebooks. That 18 notebooks from third student gets 6. So again that 18 from 6 subtract. So what answer? 12. That 12 notebook from again fourth students get 6 notebooks. So remaining we have 6. That 6 notebooks also we given to the fifth student. So what is the remaining? 0. Okay. So this line is called what? Repeated subtraction. Here repeatedly 6 number we are subtracting. Okay. So how many 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 students got the notebooks. Okay, see this one first student, this one second student, this one third student, this one fourth student, this one fifth student. Okay, so totally 5 students got the notebooks. Okay, so see here, now how do you check the answer? 5, 6 are 30. Okay, reverse order from you check the answer. 5, 6 are 30. So our answer is correct. So totally how many students got the notebook? 5 students. So second one answer is 5 students. Next see the third question. 20 members planned to cross the river by boat. Okay. So how many members? 20 members. They want to cross the river. Okay. Using what? Boat. Each boat can carry 4 members. Okay. See total members 20. One boat carrying how many members? 40 members. Sorry, 4 members. Okay. Now what's our question? How many times the boat need to take them? Okay. See how many times the boat need to take them. Okay. So how many times that boat want to cross the river? Okay. We have only one boat. Okay, we have 20 members. Okay, one time go means how many members can travel in that boat? 4 members only. Okay, so how many times that boat cross the river? For how many members? 20 members. Totally 20 members. Okay, so one time that boat travel means how many members can travel in that boat? 4 members. Okay, so how many times we can use the boat? That is your question. Okay, how many times we can use the boat? For how many members? 20 members. That is our question. Okay, now we want to use repeated subtraction method. See, 20 members minus 4. This one first time. Okay, so first time 4 members used the boat. Okay, so 20 minus 4, what answer? 16. Okay, so first time travel, after remaining we have 16 members. Okay, again second time traveling. Okay, so 16 minus 4. Okay, 16 minus 4, what answer? 12. So 2 times travel the boat means remaining we have 12 members. Okay, again third time remaining 4 members traveling. Okay, so 12 minus 4, what answer? 12 minus 4, 8. Okay, next fourth time. So 8 minus 4, what answer? 4. So fourth time 4 members traveling. So they reached the place. Remaining we have 4 members. That 4 members for we using the boat. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so how many times that boat was used? See, first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. Okay, so how many times that boat was used? 5 times. Okay, now check the answer. 5 4s are 20. So third question answer what more? 5 times. Okay, see the fourth question. Mani has 15 rupees with him. Okay, if he wants to buy newspaper by spending 3 rupees a day. Okay, for how many days can he buy the newspapers? Okay, see, Mani has how many rupees? 15 rupees. Okay, every day he buy the newspaper. Okay, so each day he spend 3 rupees. Only he has 15 rupees. Okay, every day he want to buy a newspaper. Okay, one day he spent 3 rupees. Now what's your question? How many days can he buy the newspapers? Okay, this 15 rupees use and how many days he buy the newspaper? That is our question. Sima, Mani has 15 rupees. Okay, he want to buy the newspaper. Per one day he spend 3 rupees means this 15 rupees use and how many days he want to buy the newspaper? That is our question. Okay, see, using repeated subtraction method. See, 15 rupees. Okay, first day he spent 3 rupees. Okay, so 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Okay, again second day also he's buy a newspaper for 3 rupees. Okay, so 12 minus 12 from again 3 rupees go means remaining we have 9 rupee. Okay, again third day this 9 rupee use, and third day he buy one newspaper, so that newspaper cost is 3 rupee. Okay, so 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, he has 6 rupee at the end of the third day. Again fourth day he buy a newspaper. Okay, so that newspaper cost is 3 rupee. So 6 rupee he has. So 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so at the end of the fourth day he has 3 rupee. Again fifth day also he buy a one newspaper. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so at the end of the fifth day he has 0 amount. Okay, so no amount there. Okay ma, so how many days he buy the newspaper? See, 1 2 3 4 5 days. Okay, so 50 rupees use, and how many days he want to buy the newspaper? 5 days. Okay, each newspaper cost is 3 rupee. Okay, so 50 rupees use, and he buy the newspaper for how many days? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 5 days. That is your answer. Okay, now check the answer. 5 3s are 15. Reversed order we can say. So 5 3s are 15. So our answer is correct. So how many days? 5 days. So fourth question answer what more? 5 days. 50 rupees use, and he buy the newspaper for how many days? 5 days. Okay. Next see the fifth question. Kavya's uncle gave her 20 date fruits. Okay. How many date fruits? 20 date fruits. Okay. And asked her to eat 2 fruits a day. Okay. Kavya's uncle gave to Kavya how many date fruits? 20 date fruits. Okay, so 20 dates. Next, again he said one condition. Each day you eat how many fruits? 2 fruits. Okay, so every day you eat how many fruits only? 2 fruits only. Okay, now what's our question? How many days can she eat the fruits? Okay, so this 20 fruits she want to eat. So how many days she can eat the fruits? That is your question. Seema, Kavya has 20 date fruits. Each day she want to eat 2 dates. Okay. Now what's your question? How many days she want to eat that 20 dates? That is your question. Okay. Now repeated subtraction method. Seema, first Kavya has 20 dates. Okay. So that first day she ate 2. Okay. So 20 from 2 go means what's our remainder? 18. Okay. Again second day also she can eat 2. Okay, so 18 from 2 eat after, remaining what? 16. Okay, again third day again she ate 2 dates. Okay, so 16 minus 2 is equal to what? 14. Okay, again fourth day she want to eat the date. Okay, so 14 minus 2 what? 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. Again fifth day. Okay, so 12 minus 2. Okay, so remainder 10. Okay, sixth day also she ate 2 dates. So 10 from 2 eat after, remainder what? 10 from 2 eat after, remaining we have 8. Okay, again seventh day 8 from she ate 2 dates. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, again 8th day, that 6 dates from, again she ate 2 dates. Okay, so 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Again 9th day she ate 2 dates. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Again 10th day she ate that 2 also. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, so how many days she want to eat that 20 dates? See, first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day, 8th day, 9th day and 10th day. Okay, so totally she ate the dates how many days? 10 days. So final answer what more? 10. Okay, now check your answer. See, reverse order. 10 2s are 20. So our answer is correct. Seema, that 20 dates she can eat, that 20 date fruit she can eat for how many days? 10 days. Okay, so what is our final answer? 10 days. Okay ma, so these answers you properly write it in your book. Okay, thank you. Next class we will see.